Apple has just rolled out an option that you could use to delete all your information that Apple has on your account and your iCloud. So you basically wipe everything that Apple has stored in your iCloud and in the Apple ID. And the nice thing is it lets you back it all up before you delete it. I'm going to show you the process of backing it up and deleting it. So you can't do this on the iPhone, so you want to use the iPad or a computer to do this. So go to privacy.apple.com, and on this page you'll probably have to sign in first, and if it's your first time here you'll see this kind of message, Apple ID and privacy. I'm going to press continue here to take me to the page where I could manage my data, and I should see this page. There are a couple options. You could either correct your data, so if there is some misinformation that Apple has, you could go ahead and get started here, but I'm gonna show you how to delete your account, and that's here. This will delete your Apple ID and all the Apple services. So if I press get started, it'll take me to the next page where it says delete your account. What happens if your account is deleted? And it will delete everything: iTunes, iBooks, your photos and videos in the iCloud, your messages using iMessage, FaceTime. Tons of information will be deleted here. So make sure this is what you want to do before moving forward. So when you get down here, before deleting your account, make a local copy or backup your account, and you could get it through this link. However, this does not include Apple Store purchases, iTunes and iBook purchases, so those will be deleted even with this backup here. So what you want to do is get a local backup of all your data. This will download to your computer, sign out of all devices, and review all your active subscription because they will be canceled. For example, I pay for Netflix using my Apple ID, so that will also be deleted if I delete my Apple ID, and the account deletion is permanent. Again, make sure this is what you want to do before moving through the steps. To get a copy of your data, click this link here, and it's different depending on where you live. So I'm in the US here, but you could select where you live. So I'm gonna choose United States here. Once you fill this out, it will give you a thank you message, and you could download all your information via email once it gets to you. Then you could come back here and then choose a reason down here. So you could choose one of these reasons. If you choose this one and press continue, it will move forward with the deletion. Now, I don't want to delete all my stuff. I've been using Apple for over 10 years between my iPhone and iMac, so I'm not going to go ahead and press continue. But if you press continue, it will walk you through deleting your entire Apple ID and all the data Apple has on your account. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. I post easy to follow tech tutorials 5 times a week, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.